Motorola launched its new Edge series phone in India called Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, with all new AI features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Motorola Edge 60 Fusion features a tall 6.7-inch 1.5K resolution curved PLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 4500 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion sports a 50-megapixel main camera, with Sony's LYTIA 700C sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 120-degree field of view, along with the dedicated 3-in-1 light sensor. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 5500 mAh battery, with 68 watts wired turbo power charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with 3 Android upgrades, and 4 years of security updates. For safety, the phone is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it includes Dolby Atmos surrounded sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161.2 by 73.1 by 8.25 millimeters, and it weighs around 180.1 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Motorola Edge 60 Fusion has been priced in India for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 22,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 24,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from April 9th. In Pantone Amazonite, Pantone Slipstream, and Pantone Zephyr color options. So, what do you guys think of this Motorola Edge 60 Fusion smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video. Yeah.